What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you the top 5 best smart TVs in 2025, where innovation meets entertainment. From groundbreaking OLED brilliance to stunning mini-LED value, we uncover the ultimate choices for every viewer. Stay tuned until the end, where we reveal the smartest pick that perfectly balances performance and price. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the TCL QM6K Mini-LED, one of the most surprising smart TVs of 2025. With advanced features at an incredible price, this model redefines value in home entertainment. Stick around till the end, you won't believe how affordable this powerhouse really is. Display performance. The TCL QM6K uses mini-LED technology, offering superb brightness and deep contrast levels. Every frame feels cinematic, whether you're watching sports, films, or gaming. Its precise backlighting eliminates blooming, delivering a premium look usually reserved for high-end models. Honestly, it feels like stepping into a theater, right in your living room. Gaming features. Gamers, listen up. With a 144Hz refresh rate, VRR, and Dolby Vision gaming support, the TCL QM6K offers silky smooth responsiveness. Input lag is practically invisible, making it a dream for competitive play. For its price, it's almost unbelievable. This TV competes with far more expensive OLEDs and QLEDs. Smart features. TCL equips the QM6K with Google TV integration, ensuring endless streaming choices at your fingertips. Voice control makes navigation effortless, and personalized recommendations keep content fresh. Built-in Dolby Atmos support adds an immersive audio punch, removing the need for extra soundbars, another surprise for a TV at this price range. Design and value. The TCL QM6K isn't just powerful, it's sleek, slim, and stylish. Thin bezels and a modern stand make it blend effortlessly into any living room. Now, here's the shocker, this beauty starts around $900 to $1,000, $800 to £900. For such features, that's unbeatable value in 2025. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the TCL QM6K Mini-LED proves you don't need to spend a fortune for top-tier performance. From jaw-dropping visuals to smooth gaming, it's a smart choice for both entertainment lovers and gamers. If you want a premium experience without breaking the bank, this is the TV to grab. Number 4, the LG C5 OLED, one of 2025's most talked about smart TVs. Known for balancing premium performance with a reasonable price, this model has shocked critics and buyers alike. Stick around, you'll be surprised how much value LG packed into this beauty. Picture quality. The C5 OLED delivers incredible blacks, stunning brightness, and razor-sharp clarity. Colors look alive, with every frame bursting with cinematic detail. Whether you're watching action movies or quiet dramas, the immersive contrast will leave you breathless. Its picture performance, once only found in LG's flagship G series, now made more affordable. Gaming performance. Gamers, rejoice! With 120Hz to 144Hz refresh rates, ultra-low input lag, and HDMI 2.1 support, the C5 is built for next-gen consoles. VRR keeps everything smooth, while Dolby Vision gaming takes visuals to another level. You'll be amazed this much responsiveness is available in a TV priced under premium rivals. Smart features. LG's WebOS brings effortless navigation, personalized recommendations, and all the streaming platforms you love. Voice assistants are built in, making control seamless. Dolby Atmos and AI Sound Pro provide rich, room-filling audio. You might not even need a soundbar, this OLED sounds just as impressive as it looks. Design and value. Sleek, slim, and stylish, the C5 OLED looks stunning wall-mounted or on its stand. Now here's the surprise, pricing starts around $1,600, £1,400, far below most premium OLEDs. That makes it one of the best all-rounders in 2025, luxury design, premium performance, but still relatively accessible. Conclusion. In summary, the LG C5 OLED is the sweet spot between flagship power and everyday affordability. It's cinematic, gamer-ready, and smart enough for the modern household. If you want incredible performance without overspending, the C5 is the OLED you'll want in your living room this year. Number 3. The LG G5 EVO OLED, one of 2025's brightest and most stylish TVs. It combines breathtaking performance with cutting-edge design. Stick around until the end, you'll be surprised by its price, especially considering how premium this TV feels in every single detail. Picture quality. The G5 EVO shines with LG's new 4-stack primary RGB tandem OLED panel. Brightness reaches around 2000 nits, making HDR content look absolutely spectacular. Blacks remain perfectly deep, while colors pop with realism. This is a TV designed for both film enthusiasts and everyday households craving cinematic brilliance. Gaming performance. Gamers won't believe the fluidity here. The G5 supports refresh rates up to 144 Hz, ultra-low latency, and HDMI 2.1 across all major ports. Add in Dolby Vision gaming, and every session feels buttery smooth. It's a display that handles fast-paced action as effortlessly as it does cinematic storytelling. Smart features. Powered by WebOS, navigation feels seamless and intuitive. Personalized recommendations, voice assistants, and built-in streaming apps make content discovery effortless. Dolby Atmos delivers immersive audio, further enhancing the experience. What surprises most users is that you don't immediately need a soundbar. The G5 sounds powerful straight out of the box. Design and value. With its gallery design, the G5 hugs the wall beautifully, like a piece of modern art. It's thin, sleek, and blends into any living space. The shocker? Pricing begins at about $2,600, £2,100. For this much innovation, style, and power, it's remarkable value in 2025. Conclusion. To wrap up, the LG G5 EVO OLED delivers flagship-level visuals, gamer-friendly speed, smart versatility, and artistic design, all in one package. It's not just a TV, it's a centerpiece for your living room. If you're chasing brilliance and style without compromise, this is the OLED worth owning. Number 2. The Sony A95L QD-OLED, a TV that many call the best of 2025. With incredible visuals, unmatched processing, and gamer-friendly features, this model sets new standards. Stay tuned, you'll be surprised how its premium performance justifies the price point Sony is asking. Picture quality. The A95L delivers jaw-dropping visuals with its QD-OLED panel. Expect stunning brightness, perfect blacks, and breathtaking color accuracy. Every scene feels cinematic, whether you're watching a blockbuster or a nature documentary. Sony's panel control ensures superb uniformity, giving you a flawless, reference-level experience right in the comfort of your home. Gaming performance. Gamers will love this TV. With HDMI 2.1 support, VRR, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, gameplay feels fast and responsive. Add in Dolby Vision gaming and ultra-low input lag, and you're looking at a TV that rivals gaming monitors. It's premium performance that feels tailor-made for next-gen consoles. Smart features. Powered by Google TV, the A95L offers a slick and personalized smart experience. Voice control makes browsing effortless, while integrated streaming apps keep everything within reach. The cognitive processor XR fine-tunes visuals and audio in real time, adapting content intelligently. It's not just smart, it feels truly intuitive and adaptive. Design and sound. The A95L's minimalist design is sleek and modern, with ultra-thin bezels that put all focus on the display. Built-in acoustic surface audio plus turns the screen into a speaker, delivering immersive, theater-like sound. Price starts around $2,800, £2,400, which, considering its flagship quality, feels surprisingly fair for what you get. Conclusion. In short, the Sony A95L QD-OLED is more than a TV, it's a benchmark for picture, gaming, and smart performance in 2025. If you're seeking the ultimate home cinema and gaming display, this is the set to own. It's premium, powerful, and worth every single penny. Number 1. The Samsung S95F OLED, a 2025 TV that's turning heads with its brightness, design, and gaming power. If you thought OLED couldn't shine in bright rooms, this model will surprise you. Stick around, its price point makes the performance even more tempting. Picture quality. The S95F dazzles with Samsung's latest QD-OLED panel, reaching incredible brightness levels. Blacks remain perfectly deep, while colors explode with lifelike vibrancy. HDR content looks spectacular, even in daylight. Whether you're watching epic movies or fast action sports, the detail and contrast simply make this TV stand out from competitors. Gaming performance. Gamers, prepare to be blown away. The S95F supports refresh rates up to 165 Hz, VRR, and ultra-low input lag. Combined with HDMI 2.1 support, every movement feels fluid and lightning fast. This TV isn't just built for movies, it's a gaming powerhouse that rivals even high-end gaming monitors with ease. Smart features. Samsung's Tizen OS delivers smooth navigation, endless streaming options, and effortless voice control. The interface feels modern and responsive, giving instant access to your favorite apps. Dolby Atmos and Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Plus technology elevate the audio experience, making it immersive without needing extra speakers or expensive sound systems. Design and value. The S95F's glare-free 2.0 matte display ensures minimal reflections, making it ideal for bright rooms. Its ultra-thin, sleek design blends seamlessly into any space. Now here's the surprise. Pricing starts around $2,400, £2,000. For its combination of brightness, performance, and design, this OLED is extraordinary value in 2025. Conclusion. To wrap up, the Samsung S95F OLED delivers dazzling visuals, gaming excellence, smart versatility, and premium style. It's proof that OLED can excel in any lighting environment. If you want an all-rounder that surprises at every turn, the S95F is the must-have TV of 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.